Hi guys! Alright, so last week we learned about a lot of different shapes. I want you to take a second and think about what shapes we learned about. Can you remember any of the shapes we learned last week? Alright, very good. So this is a book about shapes. We're going to read this book together. Now look at the cover here. We have a clue about one shape that we're going to read about in the book. What shape is this sail? It has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So that means it is a triangle. So a triangle is one of the shapes we're going to look at in this book. All right, are we ready to start reading? Let's see. All right, here we go. Look for Shapes by Allison Schmerler. Shapes are everywhere. Look with me. What shapes can we see? What shapes do you see here? This door has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but they're not all the same size. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So what shape is that? A rectangle. And what shape is this? It has no sides. It just goes all the way around. That's right. That's a circle. Now what about this one? We just talked about this. It has 1, 2, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 sides. So what shape is that? A triangle. Last one. Let's count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the rectangle, but this one has 4 equal sides. So what do we call this shape? We call it a square. Kiss your brains. You guys are so smart. This shape is round. It does not have any corners. Do you know what shape it is? It is a circle. Can you make a circle with your finger? I'll trace the circle here. It goes all around. Where can all the circles be? How many circles do you see? How many circles do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. All right. This shape has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And 3 corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what shape it is? Take a minute and think. It is a triangle. Where can all the triangles be? How many triangles do you see? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 triangles. This shape has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. All the same. Let's count them. 1. Hi, Penny. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know what shape it is? It is a rectangle. Where can all the rectangles be? How many rectangles do you see? Let's see. There's 1 rectangle. There's another one. Okay, Penny. Penny wants to play. A special kind of rectangle that has 4 sides and 4 corners that are all the same. Do you know what shape it is? It is a square. It has all 4 sides that are the same size. Where can all the squares be? How many squares do you see? There's a lot of squares in this one. Circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. Now all 4 shapes are there. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. And you can see they are not the same. Can you say each shape's name? All right, I'm going to point and you're going to say it, okay? Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, rectangle, circle, square, triangle. Does this triangle and this triangle look exactly the same? No, but they still have 3. They each have 3 sides, so there's both still triangles. What about this circle and this circle? They're different sizes, but that doesn't matter. They are still both circles. They are round with no corners or sides. Where can all 4 shapes be? How many of each shape do you see? Take a good look. You can pause the video here and you can count the shapes. All right. So you guys can pause it and then you can count them and you can tell me how many of each shape you see in this playground. Now look high and low. How many shapes do you know? Let's see. Rectangle, triangle, circle, more circles, and rectangles. So many shapes that we know. All right, that's it for today. So remember, I want you guys to go back and pause the video on this page, okay? And I want you to count and tell me how many triangles you see, how many squares you see, how many circles you see, and how many rectangles you see. All right, guys, that's it for now. See you soon. Bye.